Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. The file has the correct extension and non-zero size. Next, make a safe copy of the file and attempt open repair in Excel. This often recovers minor corruption. If Explorer Preview blocks access, disable the preview pane and try again. Once done, close Excel completely and restart your computer so locked handles and cached issues clear. Then check Windows and Office updates to avoid reopening the same problem caused by bugs. You should now isolate the application environment. Start Excel in safe mode by holding Control and launching it, which disables add-ins and custom templates that often block files. If that works, disable suspect add-ins one at a time. Also move the workbook to your local C drive and rename it to a simple name without special characters, then retry. If Excel still blocks, import the file using data from text/CSV, or try recover unsaved workbooks to extract data manually. Finish by restoring a previous version from file history or OneDrive version history. That often undoes corruption. If the older file opens, export sheets into a fresh workbook and save. As a last resort, consider a reputable recovery tool to extract data, then paste results into a new file. If problems persist, reinstall Office or create a new Windows user profile to test environment-level issues. Troubleshooting tip: if a file is shared, check permissions and unblock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.